Hi Cancer, this is your channel messages for the 13th of March. Cancer, let's see what is in your reading for today. Cancer, let's see what's in your horoscope. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Cancer, you are the Chariot card, okay? You are also the High Priestess. Let's go, Cancer. Let's go. So we have the Nine of Swords. I'm getting either nightmares, you can't sleep, insomnia. All right, Cancer. So I'm getting your dream state is being affected. The Death card. Getting you can't sleep. Is it because, okay, am I getting guilt? I'm not sure if you're a part of or you aided someone's death. I'm also getting you're having fears that something is going to be over soon. Cancer, I'm getting you having nightmares about death. I'm not sure if this is magic, witchcraft that is backfiring on you. You could be having dreams that your teeth is falling out. But I'm getting you dreaming about death. You're dreaming about the graveyard. You're dreaming about like, oh my God. Maybe you're dreaming about a Scorpio or another family member dying. It could be your mother. Cancer rules the mother. This could also be somebody going to die in them sleep. I'm getting somebody going to pass away in them sleep. It could be a heart attack. Because I'm getting somebody going into the room and like a younger adult finding the body. Yeah, the Star card. We also have the Nine of Cups. I'm getting you were supposed to meet somebody, go somewhere, be a part of this big event. But I'm getting you waking up to the death of somebody in their own bed. Now I'm also getting something about Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and an Aquarius. Something about these two people dating. Something about their dating. Something about dating, drinking with each other. Spending time together. Because I'm also getting Cancer, the reason why you ended something is because you kind of, I don't know if people is getting into your ears, a Scorpio is getting into your ears, but somebody is telling you something about these two people dating. Now the Star card is someone famous. There's also something about, do you fear somebody is going to leave you for somebody younger? Cancer. If you're an older woman, you feel like somebody going to leave you for a younger woman. If you're an older guy, you feel like somebody going to leave you for a younger guy. I'm getting a younger guy liking older women. Or something about you fear somebody leaving you for a younger guy that has more energy, has more, you know, swag and all of these things. There's a fear here. Like you want to end something before somebody betray you. Cancer. Now, maybe this could be you like women who look older. You know, you like older women. Whether you're an older man or a young guy, you like older women. But an older woman to a young guy is not the same older woman to a young guy. When young guy talk about old woman is not the same when older guys talk about old woman. Because if you ask them the age, it's totally different. They don't even have the same age group. Anyways. We have the Five of Wands. We have the Two of Pentacles. Cancer, I'm kind of getting you keep doing something to make two people break up. And then they keep coming back together. And you have to do this thing again. But I'm getting every time you do this magic or you make two people argue, it actually takes a toll out on you. Yeah, the Ten of Cups. The Tarot card is here, Cancer. Yeah, I'm getting two people is supposed to be together. I'm not sure if you're trying to break them up. Maybe this is what you're telling somebody else. It's like somebody's dating you to get to your mom. Or there's this Cancer that keeps showing you a lot of attention, a lot of affection, and the Cancer know that you're interested in someone else. I'm getting you're fearing someone leaving you for a younger person, Cancer. This could also be the conversation if someone wants kids. Because I won't lie, Cancer, I feel like you're kind of in a routine. Especially for your health, all right? You're in a routine, maybe you work out, maybe you have time to yourself and all of these things. Worse if you drink. Suppose you like to drink from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. You have kids. If you want kids and you're an older person, you have to consider certain things you cannot do in the house like what you used to do all your life. Because the kids are around. And you must schedule kids to a bedtime, but you cannot force them for sleep. You can't force them for sleep. What the fuck are you forcing the kids to sleep for? But you can, if you schedule them a bedtime each night, they will know that even if them don't want to sleep, they will go into them bed and chill out. But you see, if you have no bedtime for them, you don't schedule nothing for them, and you just tell them every day to go to bed at a random times, them not going to have a random, them going to have a out of control bedtime. No, you're 9 o'clock in the house, you want, and the kids are around, because you never schedule them from them little growing up as to when to go to bed. Even if them not tired, because me getting you like for drink, Cancer, and you might like for drink with your partner, but me getting you can't sit down on a couch and you take off bra and underwear drinking with your partner. You remember you have kids. Kids, see, look, the kids are around watching. So you have to consider that too if you're an older person looking on kids, whether you still can produce or you want to adopt. If you spend the last 10 years always doing your own little routine, facial routines, hair care routine, you have kids. And even if you don't get them young, them around, because you're pouring alcohol. That's what Culture and Cardi B. Mom, is that alcohol? Is that alcohol? That's what Culture and Cardi B was laughing, because you know. No, it depends. Some people don't mind having alcohol around them kids. Some government employees do mind you having alcohol around kids. So it's really depending on your racial background and what caseworker you have. Let's go, Cancer. We have Cancer. You're not here though. The police is not here and the high priestess is not here. So I'm getting whatever you're doing, it's not that serious. Or you need to consider it. Because the police will get involved, Cancer. Or I'm getting you can't stay focused being a high priestess if you're always... I'm not sure what you want me to say, Cancer. We have illness, yeah. Is there something about mental illness and kids? Maybe you're an alcoholic. Maybe you have kids, Cancer, but you cannot watch them. Sometimes you have to admit as a mother, you're irresponsible. Of course. But it's okay, there's help. There's help. Religious agenda. You just have to admit, say, you're Capricorn. You just have to admit, say, yes, you're irresponsible. You know what? Yes, I have these kids, but I cannot take care of them. Then we can find an ulterior solution, okay? I'm going to leave it here, Cancer. Bye.